Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and this is another video for the channel, and we are now at the Marco Polo Hotel and Residences. Actually, this is the Marco Polo Residences Tower 2. This is the Tower 2, and the property that we are going to check is in the Tower 3 of the Marco Polo Residences. It's a 3-bedroom and corner unit with panoramic really nice view of the amenities, the city, and the mountain. But before that site tour or the unit tour, I would like to say thank you to all of you. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, for supporting the channel. We are growing, and thank you for being there always, watching the video. And hopefully you will enjoy this one, and we are open for the comments and for your suggestion. And to those who suggest, thank you so much. Let's go to the video. And I am so excited to present to you this unit. This is located at the Tower 3 of Marco Polo. This is the third tower of the Marco Polo Residences, and this is a corner 3-bedroom unit. And supposedly, on the actual deliverable of this unit, it was 3 bedrooms. However, the unit owner, he decided to make it 2 bedrooms. However, we can still consider it 3 bedrooms because there is a really one small bedroom. He made it like a din one. Maybe you can make it as your home office. But for that, I want to show you and I want to tour you with this unit. And the price of this unit is 11.6 million net of taxes, and it's 110 square meters. Corner unit with a really panoramic view, since this is corner, and later on I will show you the view. But first, this is the main door of our unit. We will close this one because there are residents also outside the hallway. And leading from our main door of our unit, we have this really large kitchen with overhead cabinets, and we have these countertops, and this is supposedly for your extra space. And you have here your lavatory and another cabinets, and you have the cooktop. This is fully furnished. All the things fully furnished. All the things that you can see in this unit, like the swan, the gas range, the sofa, the dining, including the beds, and the air cons is including if you are going to buy this unit. Supposedly, this one is the machine operating room, but you can make this into a maid's room or maid's room, then your laundry area. But if you are really tight in space, and if you're giving your maid like a small this one, then I guess this can be maid's room, because you have in this room we have one toilet and bathroom here. So this can be your maid's room. And I want to show you, since we coming from the kitchen, we have this area right here, and it's open. So it's up to you if you are going to transfer your dining area, because our dining area is there. Maybe you can transfer it here so that it's really closer to your kitchen. But for now, our setup is here. This is our dining area, and we have this matting and solid wood, and we have this stainless 6 seats, and we have this large balcony. It's facing the south side of the unit, and it's a good space balcony, and you have the view of Cebu IT Park, Cebu Business Park, and the Cebu Mountain. Later on we will go there. And we have this set up here for your living area, and I think if I'm the owner of this, I think I'm going to transfer my dining area from there, going there, and the space here I will make it full as my living area, because the area is small. But it's up to you, because you will be the owner of this unit, and that only for my suggestion. And later on we will go the last bedroom that we will check is the master's bedroom or the main bedroom of the unit. But for now, we will check this one. Here is our first bedroom. Our first bedroom in this unit, and we have this high ceiling, and we have this two bed set up, and we have this closet. And let's go to the first bedroom. As I told you from the start of the video, supposedly this is a 3-bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom supposedly, but the owner, he decided to rectify the unit and make it into 2 bedrooms. However, we can still consider it 3 bedrooms because we have this really one small bedroom here that you can make into your home office. And it's sliding behind this one. So I think if this room here is small for you, then maybe you can turn this into something useful based on your needs. Maybe you can make it into your home office, or maybe stock room, or maybe something that is useful for you. And again, we have that laundry area. We have this kitchen here, and we have this very big open space. And currently, we have this space for the dining, and we have the space for the living. For now, we will go to your main bedroom. And we have this common toilet and bathroom. And let's go to your main bedroom of the unit. We have this set up, the matting, the wave matting, and we have this large walls here that you have the view of the Cebu IT Park. I will not show you for now the view. Later on I will show you because it's really not good in the camera if we go outside right now. And in this bedroom we have the view of the Tower 2, and the view of the Tower 1 and the Marco Polo Hotel, and the amenities of the Marco Polo below. And this is your bedroom. It's really huge bedroom. And another huge thing is the closet and your bathroom. Let's go. Here is your closet. You have the closet for his and her closet. And you have your bathtub here, and you have your his and her lavatory, and you have your shower and toilet. And this is our unit tour of this 3-bedroom corner unit of the Marco Polo Residences located at the Tower 3 of the residential development of Marco Polo. This is a mixed development because we have this Marco Polo. This is the first project of federal land here in Cebu. The Marco Polo Hotel is also operating in this area, and we are now at the Marco Polo residential area. Let's go back. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and maybe if you are very interested in the video, just leave a comment down below, or maybe if you have suggestion of how I present to you the video, make that comment. And you can also share this video. Maybe one of your friends or your family is looking for a condo unit here in Marco Polo, and this one, I can really tell you that this price for the 110 square meters of 11.6 million net of taxes and all the sales expenses, this is really one of the best deals that you can buy here in Marco Polo, because most of the prices here are higher compared to the price that we are offering right now. And there is only one thing that I will tell you. We are just waiting for the title of this unit. However, you don't have to worry because the title is processed under by developer, but If you are hesitant, we can table talk that and we will go to the developer so that you will have the confidence on buying this condo. Hopefully, we are waiting for the condo title. This is not mortgage anymore because the owner of this unit has paid this already to the developer, so we're just waiting for the actual title of the unit. And you don't have to worry about that because we also waiting for the title soon as possible because the developer has been promised us even before that the title is coming. So hopefully within this January or first quarter of the 2026, we can have the title. And this has been me again, Mark. See you to my next video and thank you so much for watching, supporting this channel. Bye bye.